Hi there, students. Apace, apace. Okay, apace is an adverb. We can use this in two different ways. The most common is meaning quickly, rapidly, with speed. So your English is improving apace. It's going very rapidly. The project is going forward apace. Okay, in a very rapid way. Work on the new stadium is proceeding apace. Preparations for the party are continuing apace. The population of the city is growing apace, rapidly. Okay, the vaccine rollout continues apace, rapidly, quickly. Now, the other meaning we use for apace means at the same speed as, and this is normally apace with. So I'm always trying to keep apace with the new changes in the law. Okay, so apace with something at the same speed as. So in a way that you keep up the requisite momentum, you keep abreast of something. So the community has kept apace with the timetable set. The downsizing continues apace with the plan that was originally set out. Okay, so I found it difficult to keep apace with her because she walks very rapidly. So apace with keeping position with, and then quickly. Ill weeds grow apace. Ill news travels apace. The work is now proceeding apace. The news of victory spread apace. The privatization of state companies continued apace. The expansion of the company has continued apace. Work is proceeding apace. The weeds in my garden are growing apace. The plan is proceeding apace. It's going very rapidly. Ill weeds grow apace. Okay, so very rapidly, very quickly, growing apace, swiftly, at a swift pace, or trying to keep apace with changes in technology, abreast of, to keep pace with. So, in an advanced English class, it can be difficult to keep apace with the improvement made by other students. Okay, so this apace, this is coming from French pas. Okay, at a quick pace. So construction of the new offices is proceeding apace. It's proceeding very quickly. Ill news spreads apace. It moves forward very rapidly. It moves forward very quickly. Summer gallops on apace. Yeah, it's going flat out. It's going very, very quickly. Our modern society is developing apace. He left and returned home apace, so briskly. We walked apace through the park, and I found it difficult to keep apace with him. So very, very rapidly, very quickly. So at a fast speed. Okay, once the process begins seriously, it will go apace. Okay, so notice this is an adverb. Normally apace is describing a verb. Something moves apace, or something keeps apace with. Okay, so if something develops or continues apace, it is developing or moving very quickly. My campaign is continuing apace. Okay, so this is something that's moving rapidly. It's something that is moving apace. And then to keep apace with all of the changes, I need to spend an hour every day reading. So, formality, apace. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something more formal. So, apace, an adverb.